Today's video we will see how to update the ASUS TUF monitor firmware tool, USB step and the troubleshooting guide. The step 1, you can find your monitor model number on the back of your monitor. Then open your computer and go to the ASUS support website. Then search for your ASUS TUF monitor model on the support page. After that, click driver and utility for your monitor. In the step 5, you can simply select your operating system, means Windows or other. Then download the latest firmware file, and then you can, if the firmware file is zipped, extract it by simple right click on it. Then in step 8, you can simply connect your monitor to your PC using the USB cable that comes with it. After that, turn on the monitor and open the firmware update tool from the files you downloaded. Then click update and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, wait for the update to finish. Do not turn off the monitor or unplug. Once done, restart your monitor. So these are the steps that can help you to do. Goodbye.